Your credit score is the single most powerful number in your financial life because a difference of just 20 points can save you tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your mortgage. Many potential home buyers disqualify themselves because they think they need perfect credit. But the truth is, you just need smart credit habits to get approved. The fastest way to boost your score is to pay down your credit card balances so your utilization is under 30%, which signals to lenders that you are responsible with debt. Also, whatever you do, do not close your old credit cards before applying for a loan, because the length of your credit history is a huge factor in your score. Avoid opening new car loans or store cards while you are house hunting, as those hard inquiries can cause a temporary drop right when you need your score to be highest. At Realty.com, we guide you through the financial prep work so you can lock in the lowest rates possible. Stop guessing about your eligibility and start planning with confidence by visiting Realty.com for a free credit preparation tips today.